Welcome to the 21st century, where setting up tents and inflating mattresses is a thing of the past. A single button and everything self-inflates. That's what the Aero Go-Go team, a collaboration of minds from Intel, ZTE, and other companies, offers us today. Here's a quick rundown of the key features. The tent, measuring 210 by 210 by 136 centimeters, inflates in just 3 minutes, and can do so 30 times on a single charge. It's built to handle storms and heavy snow, ensuring it stays put. The price is $210. And as for the mattress, sized at 200 by 70 by 14 centimeters, it inflates in just a minute and can be inflated 20 times on one charge. It's durable against sand, snow, and rocks, supporting up to 300 kilograms. The price is $160. Fun fact number 1. In 2020, over a quarter of all overnight stays in Sweden were spent camping. Fun fact number 2. In December 2022, electric car sales in that country surged by 81%. By combining these facts, you can uncover a prime market for a product that transforms electric cars into a camping climate system. This innovation is compatible with some Rivian and Tesla models, boasting impressive capabilities. Even in temperatures as low as 12 degrees Celsius, the tent maintains a cozy 21 degrees Celsius inside, easily adjustable from your smartphone. As for power usage, it's projected at around a kilowatt per hour. The price for this development starts at $372. Do you think the Kickstarter campaign will reach its goal of $66,000? Now, not only hikers but also their backpacks can enjoy solar energy. This sleek 8-kilogram backpack features a solar panel and a 600 watt-hour battery, providing enough power for charging an iPhone 13 up to 48 times. Its design includes a sturdy aluminium case that conceals a soft backpack, alongside multiple ports for versatile use beyond hiking. It proves handy for tasks like delivery, removing leaves, and during power outages. Additional features include LED running lights, a pull-out rain cover, and a protective casing. This convenient backpack costs $700. Let's dive into our revolutionary solutions segment. How about a folding chair with a cooling system? It can drop the temperature to 7 degrees Celsius in mere seconds. This technology is not only groundbreaking but also patented. You've got 2 choices: a complete chair with extra sun protection included for $259, or just the cooling pad for $152. Here's the trick: 16 meters of micro-cooling lines circulate cold water, which you can take from a mini fridge, for example. You can draw power from a 5,000 mAh power bank, which can work for up to 9 hours in maximum mode. This team offers a comfort game-changer with this heated blanket. It offers 4 modes and features, such as quick warming, gradual cooling over 2 hours, and automatic shutoff. To power it, you'll need a power bank with a cigarette lighter output. For ultimate comfort, pair it with a camping cot from the same maker. The blanket can be easily attached to it. It's cozy, even in the cold, with mode selection simplified to a single button. The price is about $100. According to statistics, every person gets bitten by mosquitoes around 100 times each year. So, it's no surprise that the creators of this mosquito repellent gathered a remarkable $150,000 on Kickstarter, despite their initial goal of only $5,000. This technological marvel ensures protection within a 9-meter radius using 2 plates, and takes effect in just 50 seconds. It weighs 465 grams, even with its built-in flashlight and a 14,400 mAh power bank. The price for this handy gadget starts at $50, which is quite reasonable for such a useful product. We find ourselves in Patagonia, the very place Jules Verne's character sought Captain Grant. The area is truly breathtaking, with its glaciers and lakes. Yet, the climate is quite peculiar. The north experiences summer heat, while the south stays cool at around 15 degrees Celsius. So, having the right gear is key, and these wearable sleeping bags fit the bill. They offer comfort at temperatures as low as 6 degrees Celsius, and even in the largest size, the bag weighs only 2 kilograms. Both layers of insulation are synthetic, crafted from recycled fibers, while the upper layer and lining are made from recycled polyester, a definite eco-friendly bonus. Do you think $200 for something like this is pricey or reasonable? Travel enthusiasts may recall USC, a company that made waves with its windbreaker that can turn into a warm insulated coat. USC's innovation journey continues with a pack raft, a compact, lightweight boat for one. Here's what stands out. First, the boat inflates in 4 seconds, no pump required. Second, it accommodates up to 181 kilograms. And third, it weighs just about 1.4 kilograms. From hunting and fishing to critical situations, this versatile boat has a lot of potential applications. Originally designed for military use, it garnered significant support on Indiegogo, amassing about $275,000. Currently, the boat is priced at $479. Now, let's talk about a culinary marvel. A grill and smoker neatly packed into a briefcase. It might seem simple, yet the creators highlight its patented thermal design and numerous innovations. One example is the multi-layer construction that lets you cook on wooden surfaces. They've also ingeniously secured the vent sliders and grates with magnets. This innovation costs $650 and can feed a sizable gathering, allowing you to make up to 30 burgers at once. Weighing in at 13 kilograms, it's portable enough for fishing trips or beach outings, and there's an added treat, a built-in bimetallic thermometer. Now, let's talk about a product that allows you to hang a rope between 2 trees. No more trying to make a proper knot, it's tool-free. Just hand screw the impact-resistant plastic fasteners, resistant to UV rays. The standard package comes with 2 fasteners and 2 3-meter cords, boasting a load capacity of up to 68 kilograms. It's versatile, suitable for various ropes and fishing lines. From air-drying clothes to crafting shelters, these fasteners prove handy for camping, fishing, picnics, and more. They're even glove-friendly. The standard package is priced at a humble $3. Here's something that channels the Star Wars universe and the light side of the Force. A Hong Kong team merged a flashlight, a tripod, and a power bank. This creation is suitable for both car trunks and backpacks, as a single charge keeps it going for up to 50 hours, and it can extend to 93 centimeters when needed. Thanks to its cylindrical design, it perfectly fits into the backpack's side pockets, and motorists will appreciate the magnetic lock and SOS mode for signaling fellow drivers. It features a switch between warm and cool lighting and can be charged from a solar panel. Quite practical. All this comes at a reasonable price of $70. The CES Innovation Awards is an interesting competition that showcases cool innovations accessible to everyday consumers. In 2021, the creators of this purifier secured the first place. It's so effective that it makes any water drinkable. Plunge the tube into a river and get 378 liters of water from one 18 watt-hour power bank. This filtration system tackles both microplastics and microbes, promising to remove 99.99% of pathogens. With a filter capacity of 1,000 liters and a weight of slightly over a kilogram, it's not surprising that they suggest taking it on hikes. The case with solar panels proves useful too, and the price tag is $150. In Formula One, titanium is used to make halo safety devices, and at SpaceX, it's used in rocket components. Meanwhile, this team is exploring titanium's potential for innovative creations. Meet Alien, a jewelry that can be used as a tool to open boxes, remove nails, break glass, dig, and more. Crafted from grade 5 titanium alloy used in medicine and aerospace, this practical product weighs 74 grams. The price tag for this multifunctional tool is $147. For a touch of luxury on your vacation, consider adding an inflatable spa pool to your experience, if you have $676 to spare. The 4-person model weighs around 47 kilograms, so you could use some help from family or friends. In just 20 minutes, the pool is set up. The kit includes cartridges to clean water and make it softer. Chilly days won't disrupt relaxation thanks to the built-in heating system. Moreover, the bubble massage delivered through a system of 140 jets is so relaxing it even enhances sleep quality, as the seller notes. British engineers have come up with an impressive creation. They've harnessed their automotive and aerospace expertise to craft these remarkable spheres. Essentially, these are portable hotel rooms with a diameter of about 4 meters, complete with a shower, toilet, kitchenette, and furniture. You can place the spheres almost anywhere, like the secluded spots in Wales where a glamping hotel of these was set up, charging around $230 per night. If you're interested, you can have your own sphere for $37,000, including a fully self-contained version boasting 200mm thick insulation and underfloor heating.